Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Tally Prime on your PC matches the backup version. This prevents schema mismatches. Once done, copy the backup TAR or ZIP into an accessible local or network folder so Tally can read it without permission issues. Then open Tally Prime, go to Data menu and choose Restore. Point to the backup path and pick the company. This first step initiates file validation and shows available companies. Make sure you confirm company names before continuing. Now you execute the restore and choose how to apply it. Pick overwrite to replace, new location to create a separate company, or partial restore to import ledgers only. As Tally extracts files, monitor the validation log for missing masters, GSD ledgers, or custom voucher types. Flag those issues and recreate or map them after restore. Once extraction finishes, accept the restore and run a quick reconciliation on balances and sample vouchers to confirm integrity and linkage across ledgers. Finally, you complete the process by reconciling trial balance, inventory, GSD returns, and opening balances to ensure completeness. If you find mismatches, one key troubleshooting tip is to rerun the restore into a new company and compare logs. If structural errors persist, import masters and vouchers selectively or use remote synchronization to fetch missing entries. Make a fresh backup of the restored company and retain restore logs for audit. This preserves a rollback point and documents what you changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.